Suspected state security agents have reportedly breached a popular WhatsApp channel run by vocal government critic Jeremiah Masawi alias Nyoka Yemabvuno. Salamira mashikobera nyoko pana vazhinji aiwa panapa mutungamiri wenyika aiwa anouya achituma aiwa maCIO aiwa kuti vaheke the WhatsApp group aiwa yaNyoka Yemabvuno zvakaonekwa nemunhu wese kuti pakazoonekwa pakutumirwa content iri against Blessed Geza pamwe imwe content inoviolata tema social media ndobva subscribe or like button on the bell kuti panapana pamudoro wamuzinzi. The hack occurred on Monday, sending shockwaves among activities and opposition supporters. Masawi claimed the attack was orchestrated by government operatives trying to silence dissent. In cause, this was an act of cowardice, he said. They fear the truth and the power of the people's voice, so they resort to underhanded tactics. The WhatsApp channel, known for its political commentary and mobilization efforts, went offline briefly before users received suspicious messages aimed at discrediting Masawi and disrupting organizing efforts. Masawi is collaborating with the war veteran and activist Blessed Geza to push for President Emmerson Mnangagwa's removal from office. Their campaign has gained momentum amid growing frustrations over economic hardships, corruption, and political repression. Geza has called for a national shutdown starting April 22, demanding Mnangagwa's designation. The shutdown is the voice of the people, Geza said. We are saying enough is enough. Mnangagwa has failed and he must go. The government has not officially responded to the hacking allegations or the planned shutdown. However, security forces have historically cracked down on public protest and online dissent. Despite the breach, Masawi remains undeterred. They can hack a channel, but they cannot hack a movement. Will continue to fight for justice, freedom, and the better Zimbabwe. Tombashwa nobuda panapa ari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa this government panguva ino iri kutya ichizama in its full capacity kuti inobloka macommunication link ese nekumadiscredita. Ari kutembawo nevanhu kunzi aiwa these communications they are going to pass us information yokuti izive kuti tikubva kutenda kutudze mafunguro enyu kuti ndimasoro pechitwa chimwe comment section medu. So mafunguro enyu subscribe or like, put on the bell icon.